Gospel Lukas kelenong khat lai dekot ar fuar adu lai pau kakradop bakim.
Then Jesus went through the towns and villages, teaching as he made his way to Jerusalem. Someone asked him, "Lord, are only a few people going to be saved?" He said to them, "Make every effort to enter through the narrow door, because many, I tell you, will try to enter and will not be able to. Once the owner of the house gets up and closes the door, he will stand outside knocking and pleading, 'Sir, open the door for us.' But he will answer, 'I don't know you or where you come from.' Then you will say, 'We ate and drank with you, and you taught in our streets.' But he will reply, 'I don't know you or where you come from. Away from me, all you evildoers.' There will be weeping there and gnashing of teeth when you see Abraham, Isaac and Jacob and all the prophets in the kingdom of God, but you yourselves thrown out. People will come from east and west and north and south, and will take their places at the feast in the kingdom of God. Indeed, there are those who are last who will be first, and first who will be last."
Duriap atusan Pula biang kelenong khat lai dekot ar fuar adu lai pau Jisu lalai lengba kinong ba bat kinong rit udah hikai kat ba udang le cha Jerusalem don ke bakeli ya u ko keran hato tang kendiat ki bandai em Jisu ula jeba beki lai hitom bandrung na ka khardo bakhem na marbun ki brio nga ong api kini persang bandai rung henre ke namda utrai yeng un khi bat un khang ya ka jing khang te haba phin yeng sabar bat phin tet ya ka jing khang da ka ba om please say yang iko try un juba be phi nai ngami tho ya phi hang ta phin phai tin nilai abam ya di bat phi lai kai ha ka snong chongi unong biang phi na ai ngami tho ya phi Kino na nga phi kireu sngeu Kadno ka jeng nyar bar ka jeng karyat benian ndapio iya wa Abraham u Ishak u Jacob bar kinong ya thulupa baro ha ka hima u play phi pat phi sa be sabar kipai benriu kin wan amingi ba sepni na sate bat sati bar kin ya song bam ha ka hima u play don ki bakhat du menta ki ban long nung kong Badan ki banung kong ki balong khadu Ka gospel utrai